Fill in all available seats, please. All the way down. Fill in every single available seat.
You get your own seat.
You sit down here.
You look at the starfish.
Right here, sit here.
One more.
Here, look at. Oh, you have to sit down.
Sit down to see it.
Once again, welcome aboard Explorers. Please move all the way down. Fill in every single available seat, please. All the way down. Fill in every single available seat.
Look, through your window. There's a starfish. This is a starfish. First one in, last one out.
Oh, yeah. No. Oh, last one out, yeah. You don't need to bother.
Matthew, this is super slow.
This is easy.
This is really easy. Super slow. Oh, oh, it's closing this book. Ship is getting too ready to go.
Get ready to look for the fish.
Look at the fish, okay? Do you want to stand?
Secure ship for sea. Make all preparations for getting underway.
Single up all lines. Cast off forward, cast off aft. Clear the bridge. Secure hatches and vents. Stand by engines. Ship rigged for getting underway.
Go aboard Explorers. Please remain seated throughout our voyage. Lap sitting is encouraged to give the little ones a better chance to find Nemo. Photos and videos are permitted, but please no flash. That said, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
All ahead 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Compressed air readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks. And
Let's
venting
take her
accelerators.
down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Take it down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead 4. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries, we'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you, son?
Come aboard, explorers! Let's go explore! Let's go explore the big blue world!
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to
Nemo, water rides and tasty waves? Sure, squirt. Where? EAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa, like, whoa. Let's go.
Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the car. All head standing.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin!
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo!
where?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to find him.
By who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Is he orange with white spots?
Yes, see.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once. No, Bruce. Remember the pledge. Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You would want one of these balloons. Oh, that's it. Easy.
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, squirt. I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory?
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer. That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me,
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like light.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants. I found the hot tub!
It's not about finding hot tubs. I found you. I was so worried.
About what?
Hey! You guys honestly were about me.
We're alive. We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico!
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plimpton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale!
Does that smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna... Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Goodbye! Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you do? We swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or we've already encountered with a mermaid. We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
I wish the water not evaporate. They did have pipes of water up back.
That was easy.
Station to manoeuvring watch. Rig ship for lowering.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29er. Stand by to dock.
Pull ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail.
No.
All ashore.
You're a big child?
All ashore, please.
Okay.
Check you later.